Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use InShot Filters to make video looks professional. So if you want to make your video looks more professional using InShot, here is a quick tip or a simple guide on how to do that. Once you import your video from your gallery, then just tap on effect. If you want to get the effect option, just slide your toolbars to the right side, then you tap on the filter. This is the filter here. Tap on the filter. Then we have four ways at which you can add filters. First thing is you can add filters using effect. You can use the AI effect, or you can also use the filter or the adjustment. So how the adjust, so you're just going to tap on the filters. This is the filter here. Tap on the filter option. Then from here you can simply navigate using all these different filters from the InShot. So you can use the Luna. Once you use Luna, this is what you have. If you use Luna, under Luna, this is what you can easily get from there. You can use this as an example. Actually, this is for a pro. This is pro. You can use this as well. You can use this just to get different type of filters in your video. This is also pro. If you want to enjoy more of this app, you just have to pay for the pro version of it, just like other free editing software. You can use this. This is free filters, and if you don't want to use these features, you can use Luna. So under the Luna, we have the dark, we have the cocoa, we also have different type of it. We also have cream. You can use cream. You can use Lumo. You can use natural. Then you can use memo, and so on and so forth. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.